We are wondering where the other dog is. There's an empty bed, an empty nest. Roscoe, do you know? No. And the time has changed even. It's an hour ahead. Let's go look. Last we left him, he was in bed. Oh my God. You cannot still be in bed. Are you in bed still, the boob? Are you still in bed? You have to say for yourself, the boob. Oh, it's a long day betting on yesterday. What do you have to say? You want to come out? Come downstairs and go out? Oh my God, he's still in bed. Oh, you want to get up? Come on, you want to get up? Ruben. Oh, you want to get up? You want to get up? Huh? Come on, I'm going to get up. I'm going to make you get up. You want a hug? You want a hug? Oh, no, he's going to get up. Oh, Boobie, did you get up? Boobie, come on, go up. Get up. Get out of this bed. Come on, get out of the bed. Come on, you gotta get up. Boobie. You gotta get up. Come on, bless you. Come on. Oh, about time.